Welcome back to my channel as usual. In today's video we are going to look at the easiest way you can whiten your teeth at home without spending a lot of money. So if you have dirty teeth, you have yellowish teeth, and you have been looking for the easiest way you can whiten your teeth, guys, this video is for you, because I'm going to show you the easiest ingredients you can mix at home in order to whiten your teeth. Okay, but guys, I'm requesting you, if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda, guys, subscribe right now if you have never subscribed, and of course give a like to this video, and why not tell us where you are watching this video from. But in today's video, no more dirty teeth, no more yellowish teeth, because I'm going to tell you what you can mix. Remember, this recipe doesn't have side effects, and you just need 4 things. But guys, let us go. After getting your ingredients, which I've told you, I want you to get for me Colgate. Put your Colgate in your preferable container, as you see right now what I'm doing. Put in your preferable container. From that, I want you to add for me 2 spoons of baking soda. 2 spoons of baking soda. From that, never mind, just relax. Add for me a 1/4 spoon of salt, as you see what I'm doing right now. From that, guys, add for me 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then mix very well your recipe, okay? Mix very well your recipe. From that, I want you to use that recipe to brush your teeth gently. Do it at least Monday, Wednesday, Friday. In 1 week, you'll be surprised. But remember, when you are brushing, don't rush, brush gently. Brush gently, at least for 3 minutes. Do it Monday, Wednesday, Friday. In 1 week, you'll be surprised. You'll be having nice looking teeth. Trust me, you'll thank me later.